Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf, and this video about building a serving tray for your deck rails is brought to you by Exmark, the makers of professional mowing equipment. My family and I love to be outside, but our deck is kind of small, especially once we invite friends over. It can get kind of cozy. So I'm being creative with the space, and instead of having an additional table for serving and grill tongs, I've built this serving tray that sits directly on our deck rails. Now, not all deck rails are built the same, but I'll show you how I made mine so you can modify it to fit your space. I started with a solid wood panel I bought at the home center. This one's 18 by 48 inches, so it's basically coffee table size. To steady it on top of the rail, I used 2 pieces of 1x2 that will go on the bottom of the tray. To straddle the rail, they need to be 5.5 inches apart and centered along the length of the panel. This will keep the tray from sliding off in either direction if it gets bumped. But don't make the fit too tight. Wood tends to swell with moisture, so you want to leave room for your handrails to expand. On the top side, I used more 1x2s to create a small rail around 3 sides. This will hopefully keep ketchup bottles and burgers from getting knocked into the yard. To protect the tray from the weather and the spills my kids are bound to create, I coated it with some spar varnish. It turned out great, and it's the perfect size for grill tools, condiments, or a place for your friends to set their drinks. And when they ask where you got it, you can tell them you made it yourself. Be sure to click on the exmark.com/backyard link below, which will provide you with more useful videos.